after listening to Juliet by RAINZ. Yay!
I love it.
So we actually have a present for RAINZ.
Really?
Yes, we have a somewhere, a present. So we're just gonna start. They don't know what's going on, but hello? 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 들리시죠? 귀신 아니고, it's not a ghost, it's not a ghost. It's actually your fan, and her name is Roro.
Roro?
Sweden. From Sweden.
Oh, hello.
Wow.
안녕하세요.
Oh my god.
Surprise. Oh, wow.
Roro, so I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna stop talking, and you can just take over, ask them your questions, and I'll just translate for you. So you go ahead, introduce yourself, do whatever you want.
Wow. How sweet.
Okay,
Wow.
my name is Roro and I'm from Sweden and I'm 18 years old. My question for you guys is, if you could visit a European country, which one would you visit?
유럽 도시 어디 가장 오고 싶냐?
맞아. 나 알아들었어. 어디 갈지 생각하고 있어.
어디 갈지 얘기하길래.
So Ungi translated, and Songni says, "Yeah, I already know what she said."
Roro.
Roro 18살 동갑 있나요? 아니
18살. 저희가 19살이 막내가 1999이거든요.
1999. So Hyunmin and Songyuk are a year older than you, I guess. But anyway,
Yeah.
so 어떤 country? What country would you want to visit?
형 있어요?
Sweden.
저는 아마 maybe Sweden.
I agree with you.
What is your weapon? What is your weapon?
I think so.
I was like, what if they say something else? But anyways, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just went out of class because to talk with you guys.
지금 수업 중인데 나왔대요.
Thank you so much.
That's okay. So Roro, you can ask more questions, girl. You go ahead. You're skipping class for this, so.
Come on.
Okay, what else?
Don't be shy. It's okay.
우리는
Relax.
생각할 때 이러는데 스웨덴에서는 이러는 거야.
It's okay. Yeah, relax.
Roro, what's your favorite song by RAINZ?
Juliet, of course.
Oh, me too, Roro.
My Julian Lolo.
You my Romeo.
High five.
Well, Roro, can you sing us a little bit?
Oh, I can't sing. I'm sorry. I wish
Okay.
Are you tone deaf?
That's okay.
But I have one question then.
Okay.
Who is your favorite, not K-pop idol, like R&B idol?
제일 좋아하는 R&B 가수?
R&B.
김성미?
성리 씨요?
네, 성미.
He says 성리.
성미 선배님.
In my case,
네,
저는 Adele.
Adele. Ungi likes Adele.
She's very good. Oh my god.
Okay.
Adele. And Roro, who's your favorite member?
은기.
My name is Kiwa.
No, to be
Julie.
honest, I cannot choose, so everyone is my bias.
Oh my god.
I love you guys too. Oh my god.
Thank you.
You have a great day today. Oh my god, I love you guys so much.
Me too.
Thank you, Roro. Well, you need to go back to class. So I'm gonna let RAINZ say I love you, Roro, and then we're gonna end the conversation. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
Love you.
Okay.
둘, 셋.
I love you so much.
좋아 죽어.
My Julian.
Bye, Roro.
Bye. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, see you guys. Bye.
Thank you.
So cute. Oh, well, there we go. We had a fan conversation with 처음이죠. 팬이랑 통화하는 거.
깜짝 놀랐어요.
So it's their first time talking to a fan on the phone. So thank you so much, Roro.
Thank you.
We had a great time.